We have some cool underwears and pajamas. This is pants for period. It's so thick. No, me not feel wear this one. Prefer to use pad and just throw it away. Screenshot of. So guys, this is patio. We are going upstairs. Wow, big stuff are out. Kami kuku. All these cuties, a bit cuteness for 6 euros. They are cute though.
Bonjour, ce sont les classes maintenant. Les classes.
Let's go upstairs and see what they have. This is cute. How much? How much? How much? Here's the price. 5 euros. I'm back from the. I think the last time you guys saw me was at Primark, but I didn't get anything because the queue was too much. There were too much people there. I also went to the African shop, but I was kind of in haste, so I got plantain. This plantain, 3 euros 74 cents for 5 plantain. I want to fry plantain and beans. I already have beans in the fridge. I went to pick the kids because today they did not eat at school. They have a strike, so they came home to eat. I think that will be enough. Or let's see. I also got in here. Let me just show you guys. I want to make a yam pepper soup. They call it yam chicken pepper soup. So this one was 6 euro. Let me just see 6 euro something. 6.96, almost 7 euro for this yam. If it's not good, I will take it back to them. I'm not leaving it. Cannot buy 7 euro yam and it's spoiled. I will not take it back. I will take it back. They will refund me or give me another yam. So let's fry plantain. Lunch is ready. Hey guys, good morning. It's not morning, it's afternoon. You look time why not they exist. So guys, I have an event today. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't have my mic because I'm kind of in a haste. I have an event and it's already to 2 or be after 2. I don't even know at this point. It's now I'm trying to like look for clothes I'm going to wear, and me and the kids, I don't even know what we are going to wear, because something I had in mind, spring weather, I don't understand. 1 minute is warm, the other minute, today of all day, look at the weather, it's very cold. So the clothes I have in mind now for me and the kids, now no go area, so I have to look for something else. Just also want to use this medium to show you guys the beautiful outfit that I made from Nigeria. Yes. Okay, now this one is not, yeah, this one is okay. I don't know, I bought this one here though. It's just all those Arab gown. I saw it and I liked it. So these are the clothes I made. Let's see if we are going to see anything to wear. This one is for Harmony though. She cannot wear this because of the weather. So this is also a kimono. I didn't make this one from Nigeria. I bought this one here. So I made this one here as well. I don't know why it's here. I wore it to Nathan school. I went to represent Nigeria, so I decided to wear something that is green, something that is really representing. Imagine, Nathan for 5 years something like this of shorts and just shirts, but the weather will not permit. So this is also a dress. This dress is beautiful. So me and Harmony have the same. We are twinning. This is what I won't look like. Yeah, exactly what my own look like. These are my former clothes, my former native. Now, Harmony tried them the other day and the thing fits perfectly well. So she's going to, now they are all for her though. The attire of this dress, I made all this one here. Maybe I can wear something like this. What do you guys think? I need something simple because yeah, this is the same material that they used to make shorts for Natabi. It not be the same thing. It does not look the same, huh? It look almost the same, but not exactly. So this is one gown that Obi made for me when I was pregnant with Harmony. No, when I was so pregnant with Nathan, because it was like a mommy and me dress for me and Harmony. Our own is very little, you know. So it's beautiful though, but I'm not sure so this kind of style didn't evoke again. And that year they rain that time. That's why I don't like making styles that are in vogue. Like when they stop, when they get out of fashion, you don't want to wear them anymore. So this is a dress. It's a simple dress though. I think I wear this one. This one will go with this my wig now. Because I want to use this wig. You can say hello.
Hello. Let me come more closer. Hello.
What this one look like? It's just a simple gown. I think it's too simple because when they carry her for party for year, when you go there, who they tie scarf or they tie scarf. So when you wear things like this, you make you look like you dress it too simple. This is a kimono for Harmony. I have the same thing though. Yeah, she already wore this one the last time to a party. It was also a birthday party. But I've not worn my own. That's the thing. So this is Nathan's shirt. Imagine if the weather was good now. Could rock this one, these two. Just wear one fine shoe. But man, this weather, I don't understand. I don't think I'll be wearing this. We can't sew different style from Nigeria and start repeating clothes. No, we are not going to do that. When I ignore my hair, my cornrows is rough. I'm supposed to make another one, but I want to make hair. I'm not a fan of wig. I just decided to use wig this period, but so I already wore this one. It's so beautiful, guys. I made some beautiful dresses. This is for Harmony. I hope they still fit her when it's summer. So I think this is my this is my kimono. Maybe I should just wear this one with a t-shirt and a white t-shirt and jeans. Cause me, I don't want. I just need something simple but classy. You get the vibe. Classy, simple but classy. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'll see I wear for this mirror. So Harmony also have this top. Oh, the way they're not gonna let my daughter wear her is a crop, is like a crop top off shoulder. Imagine she wear this top now, wear that one for work. Oh, let's see, maybe she'll look for something to wear inside and just that's if she want to, because this girl these days, So I also have a shawl that goes with the kimono. This is Nathan's shirt. Yeah, we could have twin now, but weather is not good. This is Nathan's shirt as well. So I made all this from Nigeria. No, I have this one before. This is a trouser. Somebody come on, try this trouser. Let me see. Can wear this one with a white long sleeve. It will be so cute. Huh? I also have my own. This is my own. Maybe we can just rock this one with white long sleeve. Try this. Say hello, mama.
Hello.
Money is taking out her bread. I want to make a quick package for her. Try this trouser. Let me see what it looks like. So I'll try my own to see. The last time I tried it, it was tight. Because when I went to Nigeria, I packed a lot of weight. I gained a lot of weight. So I think I don't lose more at this point. Hey.
You have lost one.
I don't no. I'm fat.
You still have a big tummy. You're not fat, but you have big tummy.
Hey God, oh, I don't suffer. I went to a burial the other time. I wore this.
But show them.
Yeah. It's like not your agbada they call her. What was agbada big dress? It's so cute. But just look at this trouser. She can't. We just finished eating the way. We just finished eating the swallow. These two combo would have been so beautiful. What do you think? Is going to wear this. Luckily, I bought this trouser a few days ago. Hey guys, say Harmony, say cuckoo. Now look at Obi and Nita at the back. We are dressed up though. I could not even show you guys my outfit. Maybe I'll show you guys later. Because it's almost time for bus. Our car is spoiled for now. Our bus we dey use now. We are seeing transport for now. Until our car is fixed or we get another one. So guys, I guess you guys already know what I'm wearing. So I'll show you guys the full outfits later. So we are waiting for our bus. And this is my hair. I could not comb it because this wig is like when you're combing it, the thing will be getting fuller. And me, I don't want that fuller look. This outfit. She's wearing jacket though. And that's Nita. Say cuckoo. That's Obi at the back. Do small puppy.
No, better wait. Pass up my neck. Push.
yeah, over. You are presenting to the mommy. Your mommy will see money inside. The mommy said not to that house. He said not to that house. Oh, yeah, go. Please, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for them. Happy birthday.